Did you just buy a Telcel SIM card and don't know how to activate it? Relax, I'll explain it super easy in 1 minute. Insert your SIM card, turn on your phone, and wait for the SMS from Telcel. Just reply with the word ALTA, and that's it. In minutes, your line will be active. Prefer to call? Dial *264 if you're Amigo Telcel, or *111 if you have a plan. Heads up, you can activate your SIM card without credit, but you won't be able to make calls or use internet until you top up. The good news is that with just 20 pesos, you already have access to packages and benefits. Running out of credit? Remember, if you want to top up without complications and without hidden fees, 1. Go to drsim.com. 2. Tap Send Your Top Up and enter the number to recharge. 3. Choose whether you want to top up credit, bundles, or data, and select the amount. 4. Pick your preferred payment method, and done. We'll send your top-up instantly. You won't find anything easier or faster. Give it a like if it helped you and share it to help more people.